Hello students, now we will discuss cube roots of unity. Cube roots of unity. Let x be the cube root of 1 mean unity. Therefore, x is equal to 1 to the power 1 by 3. That is x is equal to cube root of 1. Now cubing both sides, we get x cube is equal to 1 or x cube minus 1 is equal to 0. That is taking 1 from right hand side to left hand side. The sign get changed. Or x cube minus 1 cube is equal to 0. As 1 can be written as 1 cube or x minus 1 into x square plus x into 1 plus 1 square is equal to 0. Because using the formula a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. In our case, a is equal to x and b is equal to 1. Now solving this, we get x minus 1 into x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. Put it question number 1. Now this is the product of two term equal to 0 and this is possible if either x minus 1 equal to 0. This implies x is equal to 1. So this is the one root of cube roots of unity. Put it question number 2. Or x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. So this is the quadratic equation. Comparing the above equation with the standard equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, we get a is equal to 1, b is equal to 1 and c is also equal to 1. Therefore, discriminate capital D is equal to b square minus 4ac. Putting the values, this is equal to 1 square minus 4 into 1 into 1. Because a is equal to b is equal to c is equal to 1. And solving this, this is equal to 1 minus 4 is equal to minus 3, which is less than 0. That is negative. Therefore, the roots of the given equations are imaginary or complex and given by x is equal to minus b plus minus under root capital D upon 2a. Putting the values, we get this is equal to minus 1 plus minus under root minus 3 upon 2 into 1. And solving this, this is equal to, mean x is equal to minus 1 plus minus under root 3 iota upon 2, because under root of minus 1 is equal to iota is an imaginary number, or x is equal to minus 1 plus under root 3 iota upon 2, that is x is equal to minus 1 plus under root 3 iota upon 2, and x is equal to minus 1 minus under root 3 iota upon 2. Mean there are two complex roots of cube roots of unity. Therefore, the cube roots of unity are 1, minus 1 plus under root 3 iota upon 2, and minus 1 minus under root 3 iota upon 2. One root is real and two are complex. Let it be equation number 3. Let us solve minus 1 plus under root 3 iota upon 2 whole square, means square of one of the complex root of cube roots of unity, and this is equal to minus 1 plus under root 3 iota whole square upon 2 square. In the denominator, 2 square become 4, and in the numerator open the bracket, this is equal to minus 1 whole square plus under root 3 iota whole square plus 2 into minus 1 into under root 3 iota upon 4, or this is equal to minus 1 square is plus 1 plus under root 3 whole square is 3, means square root and square cancel each other, into iota square. Plus into minus become minus, so it become 1 plus 3 iota square minus 2 into under root 3 iota upon 4. Now as iota square is minus 1, so this is equal to 1 plus 3 into minus 1 minus 2 into under root 3 iota upon 4, and this is equal to 1 minus 3 minus 2 into under root 3 iota upon 4, or therefore whole square of minus 1 plus under root 3 iota upon 2 is equal to 1 minus 3 minus 2 into under root 3 iota upon 4. Now first term 1 minus 3, it become minus 2, so this is equal to minus 2 minus 2 into under root 3 iota whole upon 4. Now in the numerator we can take 2 common, so this is equal to 2 into within the bracket minus 1 minus under root 3 iota upon 4. Now 2 and 4 we can cancel, 2 1 2 and 2 2 4. So whole square of minus 1 plus under root 3 iota upon 2 is equal to minus 1 minus under root 3 iota upon 2, which is equal to other complex cube root of unity. Similarly, we can prove whole square of minus 1 minus under root 3 iota upon 2 is equal to minus 1 plus under root 3 iota upon 2, which is equal to other complex cube root of unity. Therefore, the complex cube roots of unity are square of each other. And if one complex cube root of unity is omega, then other complex cube root of unity will be omega square. Hence, cube roots of unity are 1 omega omega square, where omega is equal to minus 1 plus under root 3 iota upon 2, or omega is equal to minus 1 minus under root 3 iota upon 2. So these are the cube roots of 1 or cube roots of unity. So thank you very much.